Did y'all hear about Kim coming for her sister's man? Kourtney is not having it and calling her out this time.
According to the blinds, Travis Barker's daughter, Alabama Barker, knows all about Travis hooking up with Kim Kardashian back in the day. This barely there celebrity offspring is thirsty and loving that her dad is A-list again. Maybe she should be quiet though about the other family member that dad hooked up with back in the day. And this is allegedly Alabama Barker, Travis Barker, and Kim Kardashian. And here's a related headline from back in 2015. Travis Barker, I couldn't keep my eyes off Kim Kardashian, gave her reality TV advice. Travis Barker and Kim Kardashian became pals back in 2006, but for the Blink-182 drummer, there was always something more to their connection. For Barker, the attraction was instant. How could you not stare at Kim? Mind you, I enjoyed hanging out with Paris, but I love curvy girls, confesses the Fontana, California native. Kim was eye candy. I was no way disrespectful to Paris, but I couldn't keep my eyes off Kim.
But what's up with Kim always trying to take someone else's partner? Does she really have the hots for Travis Barker? And how is Kourtney clapping back? We have all the tea, but just before we dive in, it would be super rude not to welcome you here. So welcome to PopPlug. We noticed you're new here. Don't be shy. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. If we look at all of Kim's relationships, one thing is common: she stole them from different women. Funny enough, it didn't matter if they were BFFs or had done business together, she would do anything to take their men. Y'all remember how she stole Kanye from Amber Rose? It's crazy because we could swear it was a Kardashian thing. Who doesn't know Khloe stole Tristan Thompson from Jordan Craig when she was pregnant? And Kylie stole Tyga from Blac Chyna despite being friends with Kim at the time. Then there is Kendall, who had a thing with Justin Bieber and Harry Styles, knowing they were interested in other girls. Listen, the whole Kardashian clan, except for Kourtney, steal men from other women and then go crying when it's done to them, a fan tweeted. But to go after her own sister's man? That's cold. Some say Kim is just jealous of the attention Kourtney has been getting lately. Kourtney has had an eventful year. She got married to the love of her life, Travis Barker, and instead of Kim giving her sister all her support, she tried to draw attention away from Kourtney's wedding and instead used it as a business opportunity by signing a contract with Dolce & Gabbana to wear their designs and do a show with them. It is truly horrific and kind of sad that Kim will go to this length for money. She legit has no morals at this point. See, Kourtney had a one-of-a-kind relationship with this brand designing her wedding dresses and felt really special using dresses from their 90s archive. Kim clearly was jealous and wanted the same experience, so she went behind Kourtney's back to see them and get a deal. The worst thing was that Kim lied to Kourtney about the whole deal because she clearly knew she was wrong. She initially told Kim that she was seeing them so they could partner on something related to Skims, and then tried to play it like it was no big deal when she finally confessed the truth. And of course, when Kourtney found out, Kim acted like Kourtney was just making things up and she didn't even feel remorseful.
I shouldn't have to ask her for permission. I thought I was being actually really mindful. I didn't pick, there were so many collections that I wanted to do. I would have done something from the Madonna collection, but she wore something at her wedding. So I said, don't do any of that. Don't do any of the lace that she wore at her wedding. Meanwhile, I had already worn the Madonna piece randomly a long time ago, Some of the looks that she ended up with at her wedding, I wore before. I wore one filming with the Madonna thing. I wore it filming for Keeping Up in 2018. And she wore that as her bridal thing with the black veil, the same outfit that I already own.
What is even more unbelievable is that she can't hide that she hates Kourtney being in the spotlight. So Kourtney achieved something that has never been attained in the Kardashian clan. She became the first member of the family to attend the Oscars. Now guess the unbelievable thing Kim did in order to draw attention away from Kourtney. She posted herself wearing a tight blue flowing dress on Instagram and captioned it, Oscar 2022. Meanwhile, she wasn't even at the event. How sick is that move? To think it only worsens the beef that was clearly between them. Kim and Kourt have been at each other's throats for the longest time. Kim accused Kourt of being lazy and not doing as much work as she and Khloe. She starts to give Kourtney a nasty attitude and calls her horrible names. Obviously, Kourtney got tired of it, so she decided to put a stop to it, woman to woman. Meaning, blows, punches, and scratches were exchanged. And at Kourt's wedding, you can see how she avoided Kim and refused to acknowledge her. It was kind of awful and very obvious.
How are you? Hi, guys. Hi. In hand? Yeah. We
Well, Kim certainly loves hogging public attention and is quick to put out stuff that will get people talking about her, but anytime she puts something out, fans immediately start to mention Kourtney. And then they tell Kim that Kourtney is more interesting than her. Kim Kardashian made a big mistake saying her sister is the less interesting one to look at because now Kourtney is getting attention and I'm pretty sure Kim is hating it, a fan tweeted. Now it seems Kim is trying to get back at Kourtney by going after her man. After all, Travis has bought Kourtney a lot of attention, and it looks like Travis might have made Kim's advances possible. Apparently, back in the day before Kourtney and Travis were ever a couple, Travis was crushing hard on Kim and even admired her. Word on the street is that he made a pass at her. This is believed to have happened when Kim was still BFFs with Paris Hilton. He spent time with them a lot, and it was during that period he had his eyes on Kim. Travis even admitted it himself in his 2015 book. He flat out said he was secretly checking her out. And it gets more interesting. In an interview with Us Weekly, where he was promoting his book, he said, "How could you not stare at Kim? Mind you, I enjoyed hanging out with Paris, but I love curvy girls. Kim was eye candy. I was in no way disrespectful." You guys, the cherry on top was Aubrey O'Day's Instagram post from a few years back, which read, "I was BFF with Kim Kardashian. During the 4th of July, she was hooking up with Travis Barker and we were at his house. He was really dope." This might be making Kim confidently feel that she has the man wrapped around her little finger. She might also believe that his feelings for her are very real and are still buried behind his tattooed heart. So it only makes sense that she might be doing everything to revive them, including paying extra attention to him. You might be asking, doesn't Kim have any respect for Kourtney? Clearly not. She has never respected Kourtney from day one and didn't have the decency to respect her on her wedding day. So don't expect Kim to respect boundaries. Besides, Kim still misses Kanye, and she is livid that he has moved on with Bianca. You should check out our video on how she reacted when she found out they are having a baby soon, and how much she wants to keep North away from Bianca and her father. Anyways, Kim wants what Kourtney has. She wants the stability of having a man by her side. She is probably jealous that Kourtney has that, especially now that she is pregnant and celebrated the baby in such a grand and lovely way. Kim probably wants that attention on herself and might not think anyone else deserves it. No wonder she was so stiff and not too excited when he found out that Kourtney was having a baby.
Can't believe Kim's reaction at Kourt's gender reveal.
Plus, she has tried so hard to replicate what she had with Kanye with other men, like Pete Davidson, but it has been nothing but a disaster. So you could see why Kim might want to dig her claws into Travis's chest. Well, yeah, it's not like she would admit what she has been up to. So she denied ever trying to flirt with Travis or even dating him. She also took to Instagram to clear up the misunderstanding, saying, "No, false narrative. We've been friends for years and I'm so happy for him and Kourt." When she was asked if she had the hots for Travis by a fan in a question and answer section on Instagram. So, what do y'all think? Is Kim thirsty for Kourtney's man? Can Kourtney's marriage survive Kim's games? Drop a comment below. For the latest pop culture news, subscribe to PopPlug, and for exclusive tea about your favorite pop star, watch this next video.